I see you sitting there staring at your screen. You've been watching lots of Netflix and checking out the memes. You haven't left the house today.
I'm not even wearing pants.
One Direction's on hiatus.
Oh, they're never coming back.
But there are more important things that you should care about.
Like what?
Like poverty and hunger and the...
Hey, that bums me out. I'd rather look at Kim Kardashian pics.
You've seen those many times.
There are more important things to do.
Check out the global goals.
The global what?
The goals for making the world a better place.
Oh, okay. The global goals.
17 global goals.
To unify and strengthify the human race.
On September 25th, the United Nations will commit to 17 global goals to achieve 3 extraordinary things: ending poverty, fighting inequality, and fixing climate change, all by the year 2030.
What do you want me to do about it?
The only way these goals will work is if people hear about them.
So I could share a post on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram?
Yeah, however you want to do it. Check out the global goals.
Wait, what's that?
The goals for making the world a better place.
Oh, those. The global goals.
17 global goals.
Go to globalgoals.org and tell the world.
You got it.
Tell all your family, tell everyone you know. Become a global citizen and share the global goals.
Hey, you.
Who, me?
Yeah, you.
And you.